In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow participants to share their screen in Zoom. We'll cover both the process for allowing screen sharing during an active meeting and how to set it by default for all your meetings. Let's start with how to enable screen sharing during a meeting. As the host or co-host, you'll first need to join the meeting. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your Zoom window and you'll see the Share Screen button prominently displayed. Click on it, but don't stop there. To the right of the button, there's a small upward arrow. Go ahead and click on that arrow, and from the drop-down menu, choose Advanced Sharing Options. A window will pop up, and here's where the magic happens. You'll see the option titled Who Can Share, with a couple of choices. By default, it may be set to Only Host. Instead, select All Participants. This changes the setting to allow anyone in your meeting to share their screen. Alternatively, there's a quicker method if you're in a hurry. Click on the security icon in the meeting toolbar, then under the section labeled Allow Participants to, make sure to tick the box that says Share Screen. With these changes, everyone in your meeting will be able to share their screens immediately. This is particularly useful for collaborative sessions or if participants need to present information. Now, let's talk about how you can adjust your settings so that screen sharing is always enabled by default without you having to change it in every meeting. For this, you'll need to access your Zoom account via the web portal. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings page. Here, look for the tab that says In Meeting Basic. You may need to scroll a little, but under this section, you'll find the screen sharing settings. Within this area, focus on the option that again asks, Who can share? Change it to All Participants. What this does is set a baseline for all your future meetings, allowing participants to share their screens from the get-go without any additional steps from you. Of course, if you later decide that you need to control screen sharing more strictly during a particular meeting, you can always override this default setting while the meeting is running. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be smoothly facilitating more interactive and dynamic meetings with screen sharing capabilities on Zoom. Whether you're in the middle of a virtual classroom, a business meeting, or just catching up with friends and family, these instructions ensure you have the flexibility you need. Thank you for watching, and happy Zooming.